Welcome to 1127 Creekside Village right here in Seymour, Tennessee. Now, for those that don't know, Creekside is a beautiful golf course community. And this condo I'm at today is on the golf course. So let's start at the golf course, why don't we? Take a look at this view from the back deck here. So this house has two areas for you to enjoy the golf course and the view behind it, and it's like a nice water feature back here too. So first, on the lower level, you have a nice patio down here. The concrete, it's right with the trail. Upstairs, you have a screened-in porch, nice and screened in, keep the bugs away. Great place to eat out in the evening, relax, enjoy the golfers, watch them miss their shot. Inside the house is gorgeous. So first off, the main living area, hardwood floors, big roomy kitchen, nice open floor plan. The master's on the main level. It's a generous sized master bedroom. Equally generous is the size of the master bath and the walk-in closet. Now in this master bathroom, there is a nice deep soaking tub. So if you enjoy a good soak, place for you, and a walk-in shower to make that really, really easy to get in and out of every day. Downstairs, we have two bedrooms and an office down there. So if you're looking for a place to, keep all your office stuff away, nice room down there for that. Two guest bedrooms that face out towards the golf course, and a nice den living room area. Of course, the full bath is down there also. As a bonus, there's a utility room that's about 16 by 25 foot in there. Now, your mechanicals are in there, but you got plenty of room in there for any kind of workbench, storage, anything else you'd like to do down there. And, it's just a nice flexible use space that you can do whatever you want to it. Now, it's a nice golf course community, which means everybody here, they kind of know each other, look after each other. This house is condo is a little bit unique in that it has an irrigation system, nicely landscaped, beautiful flowers, and a two-car garage. So make plans to see this condo today. This condo, as I say, won't last long. Very few units come available in Creekside. I think there were 2, maybe 3 sold last year. So, this is your opportunity to be an owner right here on the golf course at Creekside in Seymour, Tennessee. See you soon.